Alright, UPS just came. Just see right there. Unload it and let's take a look what we have. Look at that. What is it? Let me know in the comments if you know what this is. This is going to change your future. Alright, so make sure you subscribe to Skunkwork. Alright, for right now, we have this other project right here. See this? This fan? We found this. Let's see. Take these off. Hard to do one-handed. Yeah, it would fall. Break my hand. You see? We broke it. Well, I didn't break it. I found this. You see how it's broken fin? Okay, so how do we fix that fin? We got a whole bunch of tape. And we got the camera here. And we got our resin. We're going to make a mold of this and create a new fin. Alright, so take a look at, see how we do it. Here's the tape and here's our surprise. Don't forget to watch. A lot of you are not hitting the subscribe button.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy, and silently.
Alright, take a look how we make our molds using natural clay. And we use our tape and we use our borders to fix this fin. You see there? The fin. This is the only reason they threw it away. So we're gonna fix it using some resin, tape, clay, and we're gonna mold our new fin. Alright, we created a mess we had to clean up. We gotta put a clay back in here. We got this case we had to put away. Drink, tape. And here we have our fan. Here we have a broken one. And we have our new one. You see there? So here's the new one we made. We put it in there. A lot of you guys are complaining, videos too long, and this, that. So this is what you get. You don't leave any word in the comments. And I just had to put it in the slot and then put the screw back in here. There it goes. Look at that. Piece of cake. If you know what you're doing. There. There it goes. See that? Alright, so there you go. The reason they threw it away is because this broke and it was unbalanced when you turn it on. Now when you spin it, you can see you get the cold breeze in there. We got that helped out because I did it on top of there as a table. And there we go. Use about half of the jug of resin and clay. And we made a mold using the old one. Alright. So let me know what you think. It's that simple. Alright, take a look. See how those fans are working? Here's the one we just repaired. Look at that. We found it in the trash. And it's repaired and working fine. You can cut the grass, but you cannot cut my bush. The joke's on you, April Fool, you fool. With some resin, tape, and wood border. If we got the wood here, we got it fixed. Ha 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 ha. Now push this button. Look at that work. Now it joins that one and that one. Look how quiet it is. There you go. That's how you do it in skunk work. Yeah, we got a helicopter too. If you want to get my book, tell me, hey, I'm going to buy your book. It's on KDP on Amazon. Just go to Amazon and type in there books by J.C. Flores, and you'll get all my books that I have available, all right? So, I appreciate that. Let me know you want to see the fly cutting, and I'll show you the fly cutting. All right, take care.
Let's go. I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming.